Are you curious about flaxseed face masks? You're not alone. These masks have gained popularity on social media recently. Let's see, do they really deliver results similar to Botox? Flax seeds, cultivated in over 50 countries, are known for their gut health benefits. Recently, they've made a splash in skincare. But let's dig deeper into what the experts say about their potential effects and risks. Flax seeds are rich in polysaccharides. This gives the face mask a jelly-like texture. When applied, it forms a lightweight film on the skin. This film can lock in moisture, smooth rough skin, and give a firmer feel, almost like a natural primer. Although flax seeds have omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, they don't penetrate deeply from the mask. Dermatologists remind us that flaxseed masks won't replicate a Botox effect. Before making and applying a flaxseed mask, consider doing a patch test. This checks for any potential allergies. While rare, flaxseed allergies are increasing. Apply the mask to a small patch of skin for a few days to see how you react. You'll need 2 tablespoons of whole flax seeds, 1 cup of filtered water, and either a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer. Start by adding flax seeds and water to a small saucepan. Bring it to a boil. Then, reduce to a simmer and stir for about 5 minutes. You want a thick, gel-like consistency. Remove from heat and strain the seeds while still warm. Let the gel cool completely. Apply it on your face for 10 to 20 minutes. Store any leftover gel in a clean, airtight container in the fridge for up to 7 days. You can add vitamin E oil for preservation if desired. Feel free to customize your flaxseed gel based on your skin's needs. Honey is a great addition for hydration and antibacterial properties, especially for acne-prone skin. Aloe vera can calm redness and irritation after sun exposure. If you're addressing inflammation, a pinch of turmeric can be beneficial. However, limit its use due to potential staining. Rosewater adds a lovely scent while balancing your skin's pH. And, for acne-prone skin, a drop of tea tree oil can offer antibacterial benefits. Just use it sparingly. Most people can use the mask 1 to 2 times a week. If your skin tends to be dry, you may use it up to 3 times weekly. Always avoid it if you have a known flaxseed allergy or if your skin is sensitive, has open wounds, or conditions like eczema or rosacea. Flaxseed masks can hydrate, smooth, and firm your skin, but remember, results are temporary and won't match Botox. If you're ready to try this beauty option, patch test first. Then, enjoy the skin benefits of flax seeds as a refreshing occasional treat. Curious about integrating flaxseed masks into your skincare routine? Give it a go and embrace the hydration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips.